Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to open an Equitable bank account online. I know that opening a bank account can be a pain, especially if you're new to the banking system. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be. In fact, it can be a really easy and painless process as long as you know what you're doing. Before we get started, I want to talk a little bit about what it means to have an Equitable bank account. An Equitable bank account is one that is fair and just to all customers, regardless of their race, ethnicity, gender, or income level. Now that we've got the basics out of the way, let's get started with opening your Equitable bank account online. Choose a bank. There are a lot of great banks out there that offer equitable banking services. Do some research to find a bank that meets your needs and that you feel comfortable with. Gather your documents. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself and your financial situation when you open your account. This will typically include your name, address, social security number, and proof of income. Apply online. Once you've chosen a bank and gathered your documents, you can apply for an account online. This is usually a very simple process that only takes a few minutes. Activate your account. Once your application has been approved, you'll need to activate your account. This can usually be done by following the instructions that were sent to you by your bank. Start using your account. That's it. You're now ready to start using your new Equitable bank account. Additional tips. Shop around for the best rates. Banks offer different interest rates on their accounts. Be sure to shop around to find the best rates for your needs. Set up automatic transfers. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account to help you save money. Use online banking. Online banking is a great way to manage your account and keep track of your transactions. Opening an Equitable bank account online is a quick and easy process. By following the tips in this video, you can make sure that you have a positive and rewarding banking experience. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.